Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Nissan Murano SL. This one's blue. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 260 horsepower and 240 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 20-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, Murano Platinum all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate, got a power lift gate, set of clean floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, we've got a keyless entry, wood trim, power windows, memory seats, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Murano has 85,659 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Murano, check out feldmannimports.com.